this video, we will show you how to crop video on Android. To crop video on Android smartphone, we can using application like Filmora Go. You can download Filmora Go on Play Store. After you download, you can just open your Filmora Go. In here, for example, the interface of Filmora Go is look like this. To crop video, we can click new project here. Then select your video, for example. I choose this and click next. In here, you can see this is the video, and to activate the video position, you can just click the video in here on the timeline. Then in the bottom, you can see there is crop menu. In here, you can crop whatever video looks like later. Okay, and this is the frame size. You can using the size of the frame, for example, if you want to use for short video, but this is the normal. After you're done, you can click this check button. After that, you can click export, and this is the resolution you can choose. For example, I just export. Okay, now our video has been cropped. We can see the result on our gallery. And this is the result. That's a tutorial how to crop video on Android smartphone. Hope this video helpful for you.